guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about RGB LED controlled via Raspberry Pi GPIO. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new videos. What is RGB LED? RGB LED means red, blue, and green LEDs. RGBL controllers work on a much simpler principle. They alter the power on each of the three channels to create a specific color mix. RGBL has 4 pins, which is the red, common cathode, green, and blue. First, we're going to insert the RGBL into the breadboard. Next is we're going to use a red jumper wire to connect from red of RGBL into the pin number 11. We are now going to use a black jumper wire to connect from ground into the common cathode of RGBL. We are now going to use a brown jumper wire to connect from green of RGBL into the pin number 13. And the last one, we're going to use another red jumper wire to connect from blue of RGBL into the pin number 15. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!